Hi members. In today's video I'm going to show you step by step on how to recover Gmail account password or how to recover hacked Gmail account. But as usually if you new, don't forget to subscribe and enable the bell icon so that you be notified when I make a new video like this one. Okay, let us start. Tap to open the Gmail app. Here let me enter my email address that I have forget the password. Tap on Next. On this section it's where we enter the password, but I don't remember it. You see it's wrong password. Here to rest it, click on Forget Password. On this, if you have ever signed your email into Anther phone, they can send the code on it for resting the password, but if you don't have the access on it, just tap on Try Another Way. Okay. Here Google will send a verification code to your number. Tap on Text or Call. You will receive a Google code on your mobile phone. Start with GT. Enter it here and tap on Next. Here they will tell you to create a new strong password. Enter it and confirm it, and the password must be at least 8 characters. Tap on Save Password. Tap on I agree. Here it will start signing in. Done. Now we have rested a forgotten password. Thank you for watching, and even you can check out my suggestion videos.